Hello everyone, I have another package, and this one is from Vintage Rose Creations by Kim. If you have not checked out her channel, please go over there and check her out if you're looking for reasonably priced craft supplies that are excellent quality. Anyway, oh, look at all this bag. I got this bag of absolutely beautiful goodies. And it is a lot of them, as you can see. These are great for doily clusters, snippets, you name it, they're good for anything. So, I got this. She packs the bag. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. Wow. Wow and wow. Okay. Let's see what's in this one. I love how she puts all her little extra goodies in these little bags. Because you know what? You can always save these and send out in Happy Meals. Oh yes, I remember these. I ordered a lot of these because I love them. I don't know if I can get them open, but these are little tiny fan doilies in pink. Did I get any others? I think all I got was pink. I thought I got pink. Oh, I did. I got the pink and white. Okay. This is a boho kit that I had ordered from her. I've never done boho. I'm going to try it. So, what came in here? I got this trim, and I want you all to know this is going to be an extreme challenge for me because I really do not like green. I like green even less than I like purple. So, this is going to be a huge challenge. But I want to try to do a boho journal. A fabric one. Wow, there's a lot of this, Kim. I had no idea there was a lot of that, too. Look at that. There is a lot of this. If she sells these kits so ridiculously cheap, I don't know how she can do it. There is a lot of this trim here. And here is some string you can use to sew your journal with. And I got this piece of fabric. Ooh. I don't like green, but I like this. This has little raised sequins and some kind of little bead on them. This is gorgeous. I don't know if it's India fabric. I don't think it's sorry, but wow, that's nice. And there's 1, 2, 3 pieces of this. This is beautiful. This, wow, this is gorgeous. And this is silk. Really nice. So I got 1, 2, 3 pieces of this. Oh, this is a lot prettier in person than it was on the screen. This is beautiful. I love this. This is really, really pretty. My heavens. This is gorgeous. So as you can see, there is a lot of this here to make a fabric journal. And 3 pieces of this. Wow. I'm not sure which kit these go to, so I'm just going to go ahead. Oh, this was a totally different something else. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, that feels so good. Wow. I love it. It is so beautiful. Well, I like to have a yard of this. I make a wall hanging in a hurry. I may end up making a wall hanging out of this one piece. It is too pretty to cut, that's for sure. And then I had ordered these from her. This is fabric, but it's so cute. It's like little tickets, and they're fabric, and of course they're pink. So of course I had to order it. I love it. It is so adorable. And there is a lot of this here. I mean, it's folded forever. I love it. These are going to look great on some journaling cards. Wow. Pockets, tags, everything, you name it. And then, I don't even remember everything I ordered from her. Because the price is so cheap, I'm always ordering stuff. Pink goodness. Pink, 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 pink. I love my pinks. These beautiful ribbons. Pink, pink. And a doily. Oh, this is the apron kit. This is the Vintage Apron Kit. Yes, it is. I can't wait to make this. I'm going to start on this tonight. This is going to be a balance over my drapes. Look at all this beautiful lace. And some doilies. And some more pink fabric. And some big pink lace. Wow, and some of the things I just ordered from her. Wow, this is going to be great. And of course a pink tassel. And some little beads and buttons. I can't wait to start working on this apron. I'm going to have to do a video working on this because I am excited about this. This is going to be so stinking cute. Look at this. And I can put this along here. Yep, there's enough to go all the way around it. Oh, I can't wait. This is going to be adorable. Anyway, guys, watch for Kim. She has a YouTube page. She also has a Facebook page, and it's Vintage Rose by Kim. Vintage Rose Creations by Kim. And she's always having some really great buys on bundles and new kits and everything you can think of. She has it. And it's good quality stuff. So, this is my order from Kim. And Kim, I love every piece of it. I'm going to be challenged on the boho. But I have enough people I think I can call on and say, help me. I don't like it. I'm going to try. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.